It's got $2,500 in everything.
Really? All right.
Yeah, so it's budget.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
It started as a chip. We literally built this a week ago. We haven't done any testing or anything. We still got to do roundovers and all.
Okay.
But it done a 156.7 at 30 hertz.
Oh, wow.
4 DDXs, 96 hours of headway.
Does the seat go up?
5, yep.
Nice.
And
these are DDXs, the 1000 watt RMS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, and I can play them pretty much full tilt for multiple songs before they get warm. I plan on putting 2 Smart 5s and putting 10K on them.
Okay.
And the mids and highs are on 440. The door panels are thrown together literally just for the show.
Yes, sir.
We didn't have time to really finish anything.
Okay.
And about 3 days ago, this truck got totaled. Got rear-ended. Yeah.
Oh, man. And it's still driving, though.
Oh, yeah. She still made it.
Wow. So, do you know the cubic space or tuning?
So it's tuned at 30 hertz. It's about 3.6 cubes per sub.
Okay.
Literally the most we could get out of it because we are working with a very small space.
This is a Ranger?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I wanted to do a 6th order, but in the time we had, we were like, let's just do this, and it is very impressive for what it is.
Oh, yeah.
I want to say.
It looks pretty good. A lot of work done. A 1 week build, pretty much?
Pretty much.
Okay. You're giving all the power to them, so you're getting efficiency in the box.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
What's the bandwidth? It seems like it's like in the mid to high 30s and the low 40s, maybe.
28, it gets down.
Okay.
And I think if I get some VXFs or something with a little bit more excursion, I can play below 25 or so, because it will play them, but I just can't turn it up because they bottom out.
Right, so that's how low you play. Got it. Okay. Wow.
It's got $2,500 in everything.
Really? All right.
Yeah, so it's budget.
Yes, sir. Is there a high-put alternator I can see?
Yeah, it's a JS 400 amp.
Okay. There we go.
Between the 400 amp and 96 amp hours, it holds in the 14s.
Yes, sir.
Pretty easily.
Okay. Did you build the box in the vehicle?
I did build the box. Brandon Moore built the box.
Okay.
But yes, it was built in the vehicle.
Got it.
There's no taking that box out.
No, yeah. All right. Wow.
That's pretty all right for some DDX.
Yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Appreciate the
I
demo, man.
appreciate it.
Nice. Pretty efficient when you can have decently budget RMS rated subs on an efficient box. Even though you blew it together, you did a really good job, man. I'm sure you're impressive with it.
It's got $2,500 and everything.
Really? All right.
Yeah, so
Nice.
it's budget.
Yes, sir.